How to play hammer-ons. Here's the tablature for a hammer-on. You have the first note, which you pick. Then you have a tie or slur to the second note that you hammer on. Above it all, you have a H for hammer. So you play the first note and hammer the second note. If your hammer-ons are weak or you just want to improve them, practice hammering on the strings without plucking the string first, and you can practice this with all fingers. If you get this in the tablature where you've got 3 notes with a tie and a H, then you play the first note and hammer the next 2 notes. And this is what you can do with practice. Thanks for watching.